Imagine a world where death is no longer the end, where your thoughts, memories, and personality could live on forever in a digital realm. Sounds like science fiction? Well, it might be closer to reality than you think. Welcome to the fascinating concept of digital immortality. Section 1. What is digital immortality? Digital immortality, sometimes referred to as mind uploading, is the idea of transferring a human's consciousness, their thoughts, memories, and identity into a digital medium. Essentially, this means creating a copy of your mind that can exist independently of your physical body. It's a concept that has been explored in countless books, movies, and TV shows, from Black Mirror to The Matrix. But how would it work in real life? The process would likely involve mapping every neuron, synapse, and electrical signal in the human brain. This data would then be used to create a digital replica that can function as you do, thinking, learning, and even interacting with others. Section 2. The science behind mind uploading. So, what would it take to upload a human mind? The answer lies in neuroscience, computing, and artificial intelligence. Here are some of the key technologies and breakthroughs needed to make digital immortality a reality. Brain mapping. Scientists need to create a detailed map of the brain, down to the smallest neural connections. This process, known as connectomics, is already underway. For example, researchers have successfully mapped the brain of a fruit fly and parts of a mouse brain. Advanced AI. Once the brain is mapped, artificial intelligence would be required to simulate the brain's activity. This would involve creating algorithms capable of mimicking human thought processes. Supercomputing power. Simulating a human brain would require immense computational resources. Currently, the world's fastest supercomputers are only beginning to approach the power needed for this task. Neuroprosthetics. Devices like brain-computer interfaces, BCIs, are already paving the way for communication between the brain and digital systems. Elon Musk's Neuralink, for example, is working on creating implants that connect directly to your neurons. Section 3. Potential benefits of digital immortality. If we could upload our minds to the cloud, the possibilities would be groundbreaking. Here are some potential benefits. Life after death. Loved ones could interact with a digital version of you, preserving memories and relationships. Enhanced learning. A digital mind could potentially absorb and process information far faster than a biological brain. Space exploration. Digital minds wouldn't require oxygen, food, or water, making them ideal for long-term space missions. Freedom from biological limitations. Aging, disease, and injury could become irrelevant in a digital existence. Section 4. Ethical and philosophical questions. But digital immortality isn't without controversy. It raises profound ethical and philosophical questions. What makes us human? If your consciousness is uploaded, is it really you, or just a digital copy? Ownership and privacy. Who would own your digital self? Could corporations exploit it? Economic inequality. Would this technology only be available to the rich, creating a new class divide? Potential for misuse? Could a digital mind be hacked, controlled, or used for malicious purposes? Section 5. Challenges and limitations. Despite the excitement, there are significant hurdles. Technical challenges. Mapping the human brain is an incredibly complex task. The human brain has over 86 billion neurons and trillions of connections. Data storage. Storing a digital copy of a human mind would require an immense amount of data, far beyond what current storage technologies can handle. Ethical concerns. The moral implications of creating digital consciousness are still hotly debated. Identity questions. Even if we succeed, would the digital version truly be you, or just a sophisticated imitation? Section 6. Current progress and future outlook. While we're still far from achieving true digital immortality, progress is being made. Connectomics. Advances in brain mapping are allowing researchers to better understand neural connections. AI simulation. AI systems are becoming increasingly capable of mimicking human thought processes. BCI development. Companies like Neuralink are bridging the gap between biology and technology. Experts predict that if mind uploading becomes possible, it could happen sometime in the late 21st century. But whether or not society is ready for it remains an open question. Digital immortality represents one of the most ambitious and controversial goals of humanity. It challenges everything we know about life, death, and what it means to be human. Whether it's a utopian dream or a dystopian nightmare, one thing is certain. The pursuit of digital immortality will shape the future in ways we can only begin to imagine.